This sequence is called tabletop warm-up. So it consists of only 4 poses. That is child's pose, tabletop, cat bow. Yeah, only 3. I'm sorry. So it's a child's, tabletop, and cat bow pose. I want you to focus on the inhale and exhale. Move only with the breath. Don't move before taking the breath. Again, this is the tabletop warm-up. Inhale, move forward. Bring your 2 big toes together. Spread your knees apart. Exhale, go into child's pose. Inhale, come up to tabletop. Exhale, bend your elbows. Keep them tucked into the side and bring your chest and chin to the floor. Inhale, press into your hands. Exhale into child's. Inhale, come up. Second round. Exhale, bend your elbows. Bring your chest and chin towards the floor. Inhale, come up to tabletop. Exhale to child's. Third round, inhale, come up to tabletop. Exhale, bend your elbows. Inhale, press into your hands, straighten your elbows. Exhale to child's pose. Fourth round, inhale, come up. Exhale, bend your elbows. Inhale, come up to tabletop. Exhale to child's pose. Last round, inhale, come up to tabletop. Exhale, bend your elbows. Inhale to tabletop. Exhale to child's pose. This is a tabletop warm-up. This is the first half. There's 3 parts, but this is the first half.